color. Don't you just love it? I love it, but I get it. A lot of us are afraid to add it to our home, so how do you go about it? Well, the old rule says that the main colors in your home should be neutral and you add your pop of color with accessories. This has been and still is a great formula. It's called the 60-30-10 rule. So in this space, the primary color is cream. The sofa and chair make up 60% of the color in the room. 30% is the secondary color, which you find in the ottoman, end tables, and the rug. And then 10% your accent color you find in the patterned chair and throw pillows. Like I said, this formula has worked for years, but if you love color, try breaking the rules and doing everything in reverse. It's still 60-30-10, but in this space, the bright royal blue sofa and love seat make a huge impact. Those, along with the painting, make up 60% of the color in this room. 30% goes to the accent color cinnamon, which you find in the ottomans, rug, and side tables. See a trend here? Then 10% of the color is cream, found in the walls, pillows, and lampshades. La-Z-Boy Home Furnishings and Decor has 10 Arizona locations. Visit them at lazyboy.com or Facebook/La-Z-Boy of Arizona. Follow them on Instagram at La-Z-Boy AZ and be sure and ask about their free design services.